What it do, tribe? It's your boy C's reporting to you live from the field today. Today's protocol calls for 40-yard sprints. We're doing it for 10 rounds, resting 1 minute in between. As always, the full workout is down in the description below, so try it out. Let me know what you think. Also, let me know if you have any questions regarding this training block. All right, we're doing this training block for 3 weeks, followed by a deload on the 4th week. All right, right now I'm going to finish up with 2 cool down laps and then go about my day. All right, hit me up. Look at this kid. August, always up to no good. Always. Where you going? Huh? Where?